Hey guys, how's it going? Hot day today in Michigan, as you can see, 91. I noticed I've gained 25 plus subscribers in the past 2 weeks. I want to thank a lot of the new subscribers to subscribing to this channel. I'm currently in the Ford Explorer. I have made the decision that I'm going to take it back to the trans shop and have them look at it. Hopefully the warranty still covers it. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, Fix and Repair Daily. Yeah, so found another problem with this Ford Explorer. It's a very, very simple fix, but it's like, it's starting to live up to its name, Fix and Repair Daily. Let me show you something. So I was coming home from work, and I noticed I had coolant leaking. Opened the hood, found out this Four Seasons valve is leaking. Seriously? So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Not sure if I want to do it now because this thing is super hot right now. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this disconnect. Alright, so I had to cut the camera off because I needed both of my hands, but what you want to do, you want to squeeze both of these clamps together. I use pliers. You squeeze them, use your other hand to pull it off, both sides. There's a 5/16 screw underneath here. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's underneath here. You pretty much got a feel for it, and if you got big hands like me, it could be a to get to. All right, we got the Four Seasons heater control off. This is the bolt that was holding it into the block. We'll just set this over here to the side so that we don't lose it. Definitely don't want to use that. Now what you got to do next, just loosen up these two screws on the back with the Phillips, and we can put the new part on. This is the new part from AutoZone. The part is only $20. Now, of course, if you live in a salt belt state like I do, you might want to consider spraying these with WD-40 because I believe these bolts are rusted in there, but we're gonna try to get them off. Now, if you have trouble getting the final screw out after you spray WD-40 on it, just kind of twist it around like this, the bracket, kind of help loosen that screw up just like that, you know what I mean, so you don't break it off. All right, we got the old Four Seasons control valve off. Now we can put on the new one. As you can see, I kind of cracked this. The plastic is in the holes. I'm gonna show you how to get that out. It's real simple, but we're gonna put on the new part. It comes with new screws to go on the bracket. Now if you want, you can put a little grease on these screws to keep them from rusting on the bracket, whatever, however you want to do. But let's get this installed. Now we're back outside towards the engine. Here's that plastic underneath there that's stuck inside the hose. You can just get you some pliers, squeeze that, and that plastic piece should come out. Now I want to warn you guys before y'all do what I just did, okay? I got lucky when I took that plastic stuck piece out of this hole. If you get that plastic stuck deep in there, or if you try to have to use the screwdriver to get it out, you're gonna risk putting a puncher in this hose, putting a hole in it, and then you have to replace this hose right here. You don't want to do that, so be careful. Okay, here's the new part. Now you just want to kind of finger tight the bolt in there. Like I said, it's kind of to get to. So just finger tight it, and then we'll tighten it up with our ratchet. All right, so I'm gonna try to tighten this up with one hand on camera. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need both of my hands for this. All right, let's try this again. I said it's a tight squeeze, but just want to try to tighten it up. I think that's tight enough. Now, when you're putting this stuff together, don't forget this, okay? This controls the valve inside of there. So you want to connect that to the back of this. There we go. Now, we're going to get these hoses hooked back up. And these clamps hooked back up. All right, and there you have it. Finished product. Now, when you're installing this, you want the hoses to be flushed in with the Four Seasons control valve. And don't be like me. Wait till the engine cools off before you decide to do this type of work, because when you take those hoses off, you're gonna burn yourself, and then you'll be saying a bunch of cuss words. Let's get some AC on. All right, here's the part, the old part. Very, very simple fix. This is called a Four Seasons heater control valve. So that'll be the end of this video. If you like, subscribe to this channel, like this video. By the time this video come out, this truck will be in the transmission shop. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video. See you soon.